3.2 question 3 is for 50 students of a class, the regression equation of marks in statistics on accountancy, that is x on y, is 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equals to 0. Mean marks in accountancy, that is bar y, is 44. And variance of marks in statistics, that is variance of x, because statistics is x and accountancy is y, is 9 by 16th of variance of marks in accountancy. Here x is statistics, y is accountancy. And this information is given. Find the mean marks in statistics and the correlation coefficient between x and y. Okay. Now they have given you the equation x on y. They want bar x and they want r. So can I find out, this is x on y. X on y is 3y minus 5x plus 180. So I can say 5 is equals to 0. I can say 5x is equals to 3y plus 180. I can say x is equals to 3 by 5y plus 180 by 5. So I can say bxy is 3 by 5. Okay. Bxy is 3 by 5. Now they have mentioned that bar y is 44 and we want bar x. So I can put bar y into this. So 3 into 44 minus 5x plus 180 is equals to 0. So 5x is 44 into 3, 132 plus 180. So 5x is 312. So x is 312 divided by 5. So bar x is 62.4. X is 62.4 because if this is the regression equation of bar y is 44 and if I put bar y here, I will get bar x. I've got bxy and now they want r. आता bxy तर आहे माझ्याकडे, r पाहिजे पण मग आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड डेविएशन पण माहिती नाहीये because we have a formula bxy is equals to r, standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Okay, so I have bxy we have already find out it is 3 by 5 or 0.6. R we don't know, standard deviation we don't know, but we have this. So I will say variance of x is 9 by 16 of variance of y. So standard deviation of x taking under root is 3 by 4 standard deviation of y. So I'll write down here 3 by 4 standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of y. This will get cancelled. 0.6 is r into 3 by 4. R is 0.6 into 4 upon 3. That is 0.6 into 4 divided by 3. R is 0.8. So R that they have asked for is 0.8 and bar x that they have asked for is 62.4. कसा काढला आपण बार एक्स, y on x ची इक्वेशन दिली आहे, बार y याचा सबस्टिट्यूट केला, आपल्याला बार x मिळून गेला. Okay, we have found out bar x. आता आपल्याला r काढायचा आहे, पण r साठी आपल्याकडे काहीच नाहीये, फक्त variance दिलाय. तर आपण ही इक्वेशन काढली की variance of x is equals to 9/16 variance of y. So standard deviation of x is 3/4 standard deviation of y. So r and I will find out dxy from this x on y. We will use this formula. Now this is a real trouble or real battle is here. की जेव्हा तुम्ही तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यूज काहीतरी दिलेल्या आहेत तेव्हा एक्झॅक्ट फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला आठवला पाहिजे. जसं इकडे मला bxy काढता येते कारण x1y ची इक्वेशन दिली आहे. स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन व्हरायन्सेस दिले त्याच्यामध्ये ते काढता येते. सो आय शुड नो ऑल द फॉर्म्युलाज टू दिस एक्सटेंट की लगेच मला कळेल की आय कॅन यूज दिस फॉर्म्युला टू फाइंड आउट r. Question 4 is, for a bivariate data, regression coefficient of y on x, the regression coefficient of y on x is byx is 0.4 and the regression coefficient on x on y is bxy is 0.9. Find the value of variance of y if variance of x is 9. You want variance of y. You can write it down like this also. If variance of x is 9. Now we know very well, this is for given information. Now we know very well that r is equals to under root byx into bxy. So r is under root 0.4 into 0.9. It is under root 0.36. It is 0.6. Now byx is 0.4. We know that variance of x is 9. So what is standard deviation of x? 3. Okay. Byx is r. Standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. We have byx. We have standard deviation of y. No. We have standard deviation of x. Yes. We have r. Yes. So let us find out. So 0.4 is equals to 0.6. Standard deviation of y is, we don't know. Upon standard deviation of x is 3. 0.4 into 3 upon 0.6 is equals to standard deviation of y. So standard deviation of y is 2. So variance is square of standard deviation, that is 4. Question number 5 is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. You have to find, these are two regression lines. We don't know which one is y on x. We don't know which is x on y. They have asked you to find correlation coefficient, that is r, and standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. So we will have to assume this first. So I will say let 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0 be y on x equation. So 3y will be minus 2x plus 6. Y is minus 2 by 3x plus 6 by 3. This is byx. So byx is coefficient of x, that is minus 2 by 3. So if this is y on x, then the other equation 2x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0 is x on y. So 2x is equals to minus 2y plus 12. X is equals to minus 1 y plus 6. So this is bxy. Bxy is -1. Now the first condition is both the regression coefficient should have same sign. Yes, they are both having same sign. If one is equal to 1, the other has to be less than 1. Yes, this is less than 1. -2/3, this is -1. Now we'll check out for r. R should be in between -1 and +1. So -1 minus 2/3. That is 2/3. So 2/3. Now they have not given any values. If you divide 2/3, you will get under root 0.666067. That is, आणि त्याचा under root जर काढलं तर 0.81 येतं. So it is 82. And I'll give it minus sign because both byx and bxy are minus. You know how to divide. 3, 0.0. This is 6, 18. 20. This will be 6666. And how will you find out under root? Square root 0.67. 0.67 चा सगळ्यात नियर बाय स्क्वेअर कोणाचा असतो? 8 चा. 8 8 जा 64. 3. सगळ्यात जवळचा स्क्वेअर 3 च्या कोणता असेल? 1. पण आता काही 1 नी तर नाही येणार ना इकडे. आपण इकडे 2 0 घेतो. So what will be the nearest square? What number should I put here so that it can be multiplied by here? It will be nearest. $163 घेतलं तर just 0.8. You have learned this method of finding out square root in schools. Okay, the method is 0.67. Now here the nearest number, I'll put it here 0. This is 8. 8 8 are 64 plus 8 16. Which number should I multiply here? तो आपल्याला शोधून काढावा लागतो. If I will say 6, पण तो सेम असला पाहिजे इकडे आणि इथे पण तो ऍड होतो. So I can say 164 into 4. This is 300. I can only take it in double. It's only 161 into 1. If I still do it, it will be something better than this. So 300 minus 161. Again 00. Again I'll have to take something. So if I say 1625 into 5, 1626 into 6, still 13,900. 1627 into 7, I can take 7. So the 0.817 can be written as 0.82. ये जो स्क्वायर रूट निकालने की मेथड है ये स्कूल में ही सिखाई थी आपको, किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना। वैसे इतना क्रिटिकल आपको आता नहीं है एग्जाम में, लेकिन अगर आया तो भी आपको निकालते आना चाहिए। तो आर भी आ गया, बी वाई एक्स आ गया, बी एक्स वाई आ गया। ओके, तो उन्होंने वैसे भी आर पूछा था तो आर तो आ गया है -0.82। अच्छा, all both are having same sign. R is also in between -1 and +1, so it means our assumption is correct. Okay, our assumptions are correct. I will write here assumption is correct and R is equal to 0.82. Now they want standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Only bxy give this R into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Bxy is -1 is equals to -0.82 standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Minus minus cancel. 1 upon 0.82 is standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. If you divide 1 by 0.82, you may get some value or you can keep it as it is, because we can't divide it simply. अगर आपने divide किया तो इसका आंसर कुछ 1.22 आएगा. It is simply 1 upon 0.82 is nothing but 100 upon 82. So divide 100 by 82. $82 2 किती होतं 164. $82 into 3 is 246. So here it will be 164 only. So 180 minus 164 is 16. And again put a 0. So only ones are 182. $82 nines are 71738. So it is 1.219, approximately 1.22 we can write down. Even if you don't do this, you can still keep it as it is, because हमारे पास कैल्सी नहीं होता है, तो हम लोग ये सब नहीं कर सकते और इतना टाइम भी नहीं डाल सकते हैं पेपर के टाइम पे. If you can do it fast, then it's okay. अगर आपने ऐसे भी रखा तो भी आपको मार्क्स तो मिल ही जाएंगे. Question number 6 is, for a bivariate data, bar x is 53. Bar y is 28. Byx is minus 1.5. Bxy is minus 0.2. Estimate y when x is 50. You have to find y when x is 50. So you will have to find y on x first. That is y minus bar y, byx into x minus bar x. So this will be y minus 28 minus 1.5 x minus 53. Y minus 28 minus 1.5x. So it is plus 79.5. Y minus 28 minus 1.5x plus 79.5. Y is equals to minus 1.5x plus 79.5 plus 28. Y is minus 1.5x plus 107.5. This is your equation of y on x. If x is 50, then y will be minus 1.5 into 50 plus 107.5. Is minus 75 plus 107.5. Answer is 32.5. So y is 32.5 when x is 50. This is your question number 6.